This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulb replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever, located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the air intake duct hose clamp at the air filter housing end, then disconnect the duct from the housing. Remove the air filter housing mounting bolts, disconnect the breather hose, and remove the housing as an assembly. Remove the headlight bulb weather cap by rotating it a quarter turn counterclockwise. Observe how the headlight bulb is mounted in the housing. Rotate the bulb holder and pull it out of the housing. Using a small screwdriver to release the tab, disconnect the electrical connector and remove the headlight bulb. Without touching the bulb's glass surface, connect the electrical connector to the bulb, then insert the bulb into the headlight housing while aligning the tabs with the slots in the housing. Turn the bulb until it is locked into place, then install the weather cap. Install the air filter housing assembly. Press the grommet on the housing into the body, connect the hose, and tighten the mounting bolt securely. Connect the air intake duct tube to the air filter housing, then tighten the clamp.